Professor Pickett has stepped into the building. No, I'm kidding. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am sharing with you guys how I edit using Final Cut Pro. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I have actually laid out the groundwork for this video, so I'm going to go through every single element and show you guys exactly how I added this element to Final Cut Pro to make it show up in the video. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys because I feel like it's going to be good. And this is not one of my typical videos, but I want to share the video editing part of YouTube because that is, in my opinion, lifestyle content. Like, what do you think I'm doing when I'm not vlogging? Like, video editing, right? So what I've already done is import all the footage. The only thing that's left now is to just watch it back one more time and then export it. So I want to go element by element and show you guys exactly what I searched for in Final Cut Pro or whatever to make the elements appear. So let's go ahead and start. Alright, so this first element here is just an image of the landing as like a teaser. I like to add those if I can. And then this intro I made in Canva. You guys know I normally have the white background with the black lettering intro, but I actually decided I wanted to switch it up, so I created it in Canva. If you guys want a video about that, let me know because I can definitely film that for you. So the first element is just me talking. There I am looking cool and retro with all my sunglasses, with my clip-on sunglasses. But this first element here is this date and time stamp, and basically all I searched in here, this is comes installed with the software. All I did was search date and then it shows up in the title section. So this little button right here, title, I type date and then date and time show up. And that is based on the clip that the camera records. As long as your date and time is correct on your camera, that should show up correctly. So then there's just me talking. We flip over to the plane. We're in the plane and then I have this transition right here. So this transition, I click this little infinity icon here. I like the light transition because one of my favorite YouTubers, iJustine, uses them and they always look so nice. So I found those in Final Cut when I started using it last year and I was like, all right, we're gonna use those. So I forget which transition this one is, but it is, oh, it's Bloom actually. So it's this transition right here. That is the transition to transition between clips. Next I have this typewriter print right here, which is just all I searched was typewriter in the same title, typewriter, and then I changed the font to Cool Vetica and I just typed out what he was saying in this video. So he was, you can read it on the screen, he was basically alerting the tower that he was taking off. And then the next thing is just a graphic that I made in Canva. So to get this orange, green, and blue transition, I believe that is an effect. I'm pretty sure. Maybe. Nope, that's a transition, I'm pretty sure. Hold on. If I click on it, I can see what it is. It's the color planes transition. And so you can literally just search that, color planes shows up. I like that because it makes it appear all fancy. The next thing is this like and subscribe graphic. So that is basically something that I made in Final Cut Pro. I have a separate video planned for that because I had to export it as a transparent, with a transparent background. So I learned, I had to YouTube that. I will admit, I taught myself that, but and it has the sound to it as well, but that's very easy to make in Final Cut Pro. It's just one setting that you're changing to export it, so it's really great. So I just did another graphic right here. It says landing gear light turns green, which means wheels are down, and that's airplane terminology. And then also this landing graphic, which is the same as the takeoff graphic that I created, and that's us just landing. Skip through it. I did speed up some of the footage because who really wants to watch a 5-minute video of just seeing like flying. Alright everybody, that about wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about Final Cut Pro or about Macs or about YouTube or anything in general, let me know in the comments down below and I will be happy to answer them for you. Thank you guys again so much for your support, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.